Hi friends, I'm at Joann's getting all of the fabrics, Christmas fabrics on sale. Hi friends, welcome to the channel Sophia Sews and Play. I have more fabrics that I want to show you that I received. I went to Joann in San Antonio, Texas, and I got me some good Christmas clearance fabric. And so I'm going to show you some today. So without any further ado. So welcome to the channel, Sophia Sews and Play. I'm Sophia. If you're new to the channel, welcome and thank you for tuning in. And if you're not, if you're back, if you are returning, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you all of the fabrics that I bought in San Antonio, Texas, when I went to Joann's. I asked my sister, please, let's go to a Joann's in Texas. I wanted to go to a fabric shop, like those big fabrics, but we didn't have the time. So I just thank God and I appreciate that she took me to Joann's in San Antonio, Texas. We had a marvelous time. We had so much fun. We fly out on Christmas Day, so that was like a Christmas gift from God to me, from my sister. It was amazing. And let's see. I went to the games. The Buffaloes played and we got to see number 12 and number 22 and the Papa. It was great. It was so great, even though they lost, but that's okay because there's more years to come if it's God's will, and they will come back. So the thing is training, right? So they did a very good job, considering they did a very good job. And let's say, what else? My sister and I went to the river walk. I may show you a little bit in this video. I kind of just show a little snippets of it, of the fun that we had. So we went to the river walk at night where you see all the beautiful lights, and we were on a boat under bridges and just seeing the whole beautiful thing. Then we went in a day again and did the same thing. So we saw it the two different ways, at night and at day, and in a day, and it was the same beauty. Then we went on a trolley so we could go and see all of the everything that is downtown in San Antonio, and it is beautiful and so historic, and it is beautiful. I saw a lot of vintage, like the buildings, the colors, all of it are vintages and antiques, and very they have it really maintained. So it's beautiful, beautiful. And the most important thing about San Antonio, no one can take this from me, and you gotta go check it out. Their food is good. It's great. Every restaurant that we went to, everywhere that we went, the food was good and none taste the same. There were different tastes and they were all good, fantastic, great. I got to tell you this one. And if somebody says the contrary to what I'm saying, they are lying and they're haters. That's all I can say. But it was so good. So good. Every bit of it was so good. So without any further ado, the second time, let me show you what I have planned for 2025 for the first month. Okay, so first I'll show you what I have planned. I am going to be cutting. I already cut this, and I am going to start sewing it hopefully this week with this fabric. And then I'm going to show you my Christmas gift from my sister. Something that I posted this on my Facebook, and just to see which one of my friends were going to respond, right? Well, praise the Lord, my sister responded because I liked it. I was like, oh my goodness, I would like to get my hands on one of those. But this is what she gave me, the seam ripper. and she added my name on it right there. Ah, fell out of my hand. So she gave me two of them. So this one is different designs, but it's the same. And this one says for my sister. Does it say? Yeah, it says for my sister. And then this one has my name on it. Like right so. It's beautiful. It's so beautiful. And then as you can see, they have different designs. I used this one already. I haven't used this one. That's why it has the cover on it still. Right here, that's that design right there. And then this one right here has a different design right here. So the another thing about these that you can hang it. The hole is very small, but you can either hang it or add it to a string something. So what I'm going to do is like I'm going to put mine on the wall, or one of them on the wall, and then I will be good to go. So that's my gift from my sister, beside the beautiful trip to San Antonio, Texas. And we flew on first class. So I must confess, that was a first time for me. And trust me, it's not going to be the last, because now that I have tasted how it feels to be in a first class, I will be, as long as I'm blessed, I will be going on first class, because I can't do that other thing. I mean, like it was not a happy camper, but I was happy to go. It was a happy camper going and coming, but it was a better camper going. So anyway, so this is one of the fabrics, and all of them, look, I had remnant price. Some of them were like 40%, but they were remnant, and the remnant, she gave it to me like for pennies. So this is what I got. Beautiful Christmas. And I love Christmas fabric, so I will be doing stuff, but I may not be posting it. Who knows? I just make my stuff because I like to do stuff. And so this is what, this is for my doggy. This, not these, but this one here. Look at this beautiful one that I got for my dog, and for his bedding and his shirt. I love that one. I love the bone that they are, those colors. And I'm going to be really fast. This one, look at this. This is so beautiful. And this one also. I mean, I have like 2 yards of each ones. This one right here is only, this one is like a yard and a half, because I remember I didn't get too much of that one. And look at this one. Amazing colors, man. I just love Christmas fabrics. The prints. Look at this one for the kitchen. I like everything about it except for the hat, but that's okay. It's only for Christmas. So that's for my kitchen. I'll make my kitchen towels or whatever with that. I don't know yet. Look at this one. I'll probably make like a table fixers. But this is the most. I love this one so much. I got like 4 yards of it. Look at this. This one I may make like a shirt or pajamas for Christmas. It's so pretty. I just love all those things. Christmas leaves too early. Here's another one that I'm going to be making a blouse with. This one I will make a nice blouse. I love it because it has the gold print. This is so beautiful. Look at this. So I'll be making a nice dress, like a simple dress for Christmas. Long sleeves, just to be at home. And this one. And that's it. That's what I got for the sale. And that's the last fabric that I will be getting. I hope to God I'm not lying. I'm trying my very best. That I already told myself no, because I like this tripping thing. So I'll be tripping. I'll be going on trips. So I have so much fabrics. I have so many fabrics, friends, that this year I am going to pack them all up differently in all the different colors, and I will have some in the closet, and then the rest I'm going to have them in bin, because I want to show you my room this time. I don't think I'm going to take out my day bed. I will show you the whole thing once I get it done. But once I get these fabrics out the way and thing, I know I said that like this is the third year, so hopefully this is the charm. This is the year that I will show you this whole round room to show you. This is my whole sewing room, and my sewing room is very comfortable. I have my day bed with a big TV right there, and so when I get tired of sewing, I just lay right there and get relax, and then come back to the sewing machine. That's how I do it. This is like my shed, my my she shed. That's what this is. So that's it for my sewing room and for my New Year's projects. And I just want to say thank you so much. And did you subscribe yet? I need to get to 1,000 subscribers, but I want you to stay when you subscribe. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And thank you so much for supporting my channel. I'm going on 3 years with this, and I'm still loving every bit of it. And the struggle is real, but I'm having fun. So thank you so much, and God bless you. And don't forget that let the peace of God rule in your heart, to the which also we are called in one body. And let us be all thankful. And that's coming from Colossians 3:15. I love you, friends. See you on my next video. Hold on, did I say thank you for watching? Love you guys.